If I only had 59 seconds to reach someone feeling overwhelmed and stuck, this is what I'd say. Feeling overwhelmed like you're juggling too much and dropping the ball, you're not alone. But moving from burnout to clarity doesn't come from doing more, it starts with doing things differently. Here's what helped me and what I want to share with you: a simple, no pressure daily planning, a few small habits that truly support you, and self care that's not a luxury, it's your secret weapon. You don't need to fix everything overnight. Just start with one page, one tracker, one breath. Planning isn't about perfection. It's about showing up for yourself in a way that feels doable, even fun. Let your planner be your calm space. Let habit tracking build your confidence. Let joy be part of your healing. You're not lazy. You're just overloaded. And that we can change together. Start small, start today, because you deserve the care you give others.